Yeah, students, for case study, what is the case study process of activities you are designing? What is we got? Okay. I think I was visited that particular website. It is related to some metering process of activities for water measurements. It's already we have other things of cargo tank and water tank like that. Different technologies we already have. But I don't know what is the new approach they are implementing. This related only we are going to discuss about the brainstorm approach for case study. Uh, Let us discuss, then we will understand what is the new approach we are implemented in the WEGoT. Okay. Yes, start.
So the problem statement worries many cities in India, especially the metropolitan cities, face water shortages and wastages. So the people don't know how much water they use and how much the water they are being wasted. Lack of data leads to overconsumptions and the leakages being unnoticed. So the WEGoT solution solves this problem by using the real-time water data applications. So how it solves is it uses IoT-based ultrasonic sensors and then it uses smart water sensors. So the features here is that it detects water leakage and as well as the water flow. And then the data will be given through mobile or web platform. So that is a big main advantage over here. And it also helps us to monitor and reduce water leakage as well as water usage. So I am going to talk about how it was work. First, the website is installed in the buildings like apartments, office, industries, like that kind of stuff. The system is processing like the sensors are measure the water flow. Then the data is sent to the cloud system, and then the users get the insights we have. The main benefit the user get using this app is they identify the wastage of the. So let me talk about the impacts and achievements. Like on implementing this system, we can literally save about 5 to 6 billion liters of water. This is mainly installed in commercial buildings and residential apartments, and this is like literally saving 50% regular use of water in large buildings.
Okay, as we collected from the previous ones, they are majorly used in the apartment-like communities. So, why its usage is more in the particular areas? Like the flow network of the water waves in the particular apartments and type of areas are very clumsy and very complicated. So, when there's a leakage, you would not find where the leakage is from. So, once you have entered the monitor system, you could get where the leakage is from, and you could even control its flow. Like they have, the company provides two more of control systems. Like they have the hardware system like sensors and fixers, and they control them using softwares. You could even off the flow of the kitchen sinks pipe, particularly from your mobile phones and etc. So this helps in the for the current water current bill. Particularly in the metro systems, you can see they have water flow system bills in the apartments and they can keep more sustainable the money and even the water usage systems. So we got company noticed this particularly, and they are implementing towards the metro cities and.
So for the conclusion part, the company only claims that if people knows how much water they are using, and they can view how much water they are using, so they can also get how much water they are wasting. So the company gives a clear understanding of how much water each people use. Like they use ultra supersonic sensors in the devices which they install, and through mobile phones or web applications, they get the information about how much water they are using and how it's spending their water in which part of the house or households. So when it comes to apartments and big giant areas, they use it like instead of each house, how much house is gathering how much amount of water. So it's easier to track the amount of water used by each individual houses. And for the revenue model, the company charges for installation and maintenance of the product, IoT product, and the web service. So the people mainly uses this for maintaining their waters and to save water enough.
Okay, I think we got giving the right solution for our water, current water scenario. Because it may be useful for an apartment, separate water bill may be generated to be got. It may be helpful to the apartment associations also. Suppose if one house is involuntarily they are using more water, it is possible to monitor. Then we will allot the particular apartment owner to buy that. Okay. I think it is a very good idea to understand the case study of approach for WEGoT because we are in summer month, water scarcity is also there, so it will be useful. Thank for our team to understand this WEGoT technology. Next time we will try to understand it. Thank you.